These two plants in my backyard look almost identical. One is the turmeric you use in your kitchen every day, while the other has been treasured for generations as a natural beauty secret. But here's the surprising part: most people can't tell them apart. Have you ever planted turmeric and then wondered, is this regular haldi or Kasturi Haldi? You're not alone. Both plants look so similar that even experienced gardeners often get confused. But what if I told you that nature has hidden a few simple clues in their leaves, fragrance, and rhizomes that can reveal their true identity instantly? Today I am standing in my garden with both plants and both rhizomes, and I am going to show you exactly how to identify them like an expert. By the end of this video, you will never confuse Haldi and Kasturi Haldi again. And make sure you stay till the end because I'll share the easiest and most accurate identification trick that can tell the difference in just a few seconds. Welcome back to my channel HuffTuber81, where we talk about gardening, plant care, propagation and nature in the simplest way possible. If you love growing plants at your home and want to create your own green paradise, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Today we are comparing two amazing plants from the ginger family: regular turmeric, which we use daily in cooking, and Kasturi turmeric, famous for skincare and medicinal uses. At first glance they may look like twins, but nature has left several clues. Let's start with the leaves because that's usually what we see first in our garden. The first difference is the color of the leaves. Regular turmeric generally has a deeper green leaf color. The leaves often appear darker and richer in shade. Kasturi turmeric leaves are usually lighter green, almost lime green when young. They often look brighter and fresher compared to regular turmeric. If you look closely at these two leaves, you can already notice that one is darker and one is lighter. This is the first clue, but remember, leaf color can vary depending on sunlight, soil and nutrition, so don't rely on this clue alone. Now let's look at the shape and texture. Regular turmeric leaves tend to be broader and thicker. They feel slightly sturdier when touched. Kasturi turmeric leaves are often narrower and softer with a more elegant appearance. The veins on Kasturi turmeric can also appear slightly more prominent, giving the leaf a graceful look. Think of it in this way: regular turmeric leaves look strong and robust, while Kasturi turmeric leaves look delicate and ornamental. Here's a trick many gardeners don't know. Take a leaf and gently crush a small edge between your fingers. Regular turmeric leaves release a mild turmeric-like aroma, while Kasturi turmeric leaves often release a stronger fragrance with camphor-like or wild ginger-like notes. This fragrance test can be surprisingly useful when the plants are mature. If your plants flower, identification becomes even easier. Regular turmeric flowers are usually pale white, cream or light pink, and Kasturi turmeric flowers are often more ornamental and attractive with brighter pink or purple shades depending on the variety. Many people actually grow Kasturi turmeric partly for its ornamental beauty. Now friends, we have looked at the leaves We have talked about the color and shape, but let's be honest for a moment. If someone bought me just these leaves, I might still have a little doubt because leaves can change depending on sunlight, soil conditions, watering, and even the age of the plant. But do you know where the real truth is hidden? Right here underground in the rhizomes. In fact, if you have ever been confused between Haldi and Kasturi Haldi, this is the stage where all confusion disappears. Take a good look at these two rhizomes and tell me in the comments which one do you think is regular Haldi and which one is Kasturi Haldi. Go ahead, take a guess before I reveal the answer. Let's see how many of you get it right. Now look at this beautiful deep orange color. This is one of the biggest clues of regular turmeric. The flesh is rich, vibrant and intensely orange because it's packed with curcumin, the compound responsible for turmeric's famous color. And if I rub this on my fingers, you can see it immediately leaves a strong yellow-orange stain. That's classic kitchen turmeric. But look at this one. Notice how much lighter it is. Instead of that intense orange color, it appears pale yellow cream or yellowish white. This is where many gardeners get surprised because they expect every turmeric to be bright orange inside. But Kasturi Haldi likes to break the rules. And here's another fascinating difference. If I smell regular turmeric, I get that familiar earthy aroma we all know from our kitchens. But when I smell Kasturi Haldi, it's completely different. The fragrance is stronger, more pleasant and almost perfume-like. Some people describe it as musky, camphor-like or even slightly sandalwood-like. In fact, the word Kasturi itself refers to a musk-like fragrance, which is exactly why this turmeric became so popular in traditional skincare and beauty treatments. Here's the easiest home test. Rub a fresh piece of regular turmeric on your fingers. Within seconds, your fingers turn bright yellow orange. Now, try the same with Kasturi turmeric. You will notice very little staining or sometimes almost no strong yellow stain at all. This single test helps many gardeners identify their rhizomes instantly. Another way to remember the difference is through their uses. For regular turmeric, it is used in cooking, pickles, herbal drinks, traditional remedies, natural food coloring. And Kasturi turmeric benefits are for face pack, skin care, uptan, cosmetic products, traditional beauty treatments. Regular turmeric goes into the kitchen and Kasturi turmeric mostly goes onto the skin. And now the promised secret trick. If you are still confused, cut the rhizomes and ask yourself two questions. Does it stain my fingers bright yellow? Does it smell like kitchen turmeric? If the answer is yes, it's regular turmeric. If it has a pleasant aromatic fragrance and doesn't strongly stain your fingers, it's Kasturi turmeric. This simple test is accurate almost every time. So friends, can you identify which one is regular turmeric and which one is Kasturi turmeric from the leaves and rhizomes shown here? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for being part of this green journey with me. If you found this comparison useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to HubTuber81 for more gardening tips, plant identification guides and growing tutorials. Until next time, go green, grow green. See you in the next one. Happy gardening.